here we are. Got some more positive changes. This is the donor car. We've got it all the way stripped down. As you can see, I've got parts just laying all over the place from both cars. Everything that's going to be coming off of this car, with the exception of the hood, hoods are going to be the last thing to get swapped just because I want to keep these engines covered. Everything that's coming off of this car to make the other car street legal and get it certified, it's all off, ready to go back on. I've already started doing just a little bit of work on the front end of the other car, making sure everything's ready and good to go. But with any luck, the next update, I'll have the front end of the new car all put together, ready to go, and we'll be working on getting it up to the DMV, getting the sheriff's office to look at it, and having it ready to go. So this car has probably moved for the last time until it's finally time for everything that I can get to come off of it to come off and it to eventually go to the shredder. So making some more improvements, slow and steady, but that's how you win the race.